Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to change name on iPhone. So if you want to change name on your iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So if you want to change name, you have to open up your settings. Once you open it, then you scroll down a little, then make sure you tap on general. Once tap on general, scroll down a little. Okay, fine, don't scroll. Under general, the first option, which is about, tap on it. Then under that you find a name option, tap on the name option. Then from there you can customize your iPhone to whatever you want. For example, I'm just gonna name mine Neymar. Then you tap on done on the keyboard. Then you can see this has been added to your phone name. Then from there, if you want to get connected to any network, or you want to use your Bluetooth, or your hotspot, the name of your phone will appear, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.